Still making your UGC ads one by one?
That's one. That's two.
Why make them one at a time? Seedance 2.5 can change that.
Everything you're watching right now, the people, the voices, the product shots, none of it was real. I built all of it using Seedance 2.5 inside Topview Canvas, starting from a single idea. And here's the part that actually matters. I didn't just build one ad. I built one workflow and reused it. Same product, different hooks, different styles, different creators. No camera, no hiring, no starting from scratch every single time. No more making ads one by one. I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, inside Canvas, from the first idea all the way to the final export. Let's get into it. So, this is the interface of Topview, a platform where every major image and video generation model lives in one place, from the Seedance series to Minimax H3. And right now, Seedance 2.5 is honestly stealing the spotlight. You get 60 days of unlimited generations on Topview, native 30-second single-shot videos, and support for up to 50 image references. On the top left, there's an option for Canvas, Film, and Drama Studio. Giving an idea results in the creation of full videos in bulk. It's an AI video agent combined with a visual workspace. You give it a product, script, image, or even a creative brief, and it plans the storyboard, scenes, hooks, and messaging, then generates and organizes everything right on the canvas. So here, I'm giving the idea. A male creator in a luxury bedroom unboxes premium sunglasses, puts them on, checks the fit in the mirror, shows them in the window light. This is a UGC-style ad. By the way, I'm uploading the reference image of the product, black premium sunglasses, for object consistency. In the video models list, out of all the Seedance models, I'm going with Seedance 2.5 because of its 30-second length and also lets you work with up to 50 multimodal reference assets. In the skill set section, you can choose a skill based on your video type: TVC, product demo, UGC style, cinematic, e-commerce, and so on. I'm going with UGC style since that matches my video idea. And on agent selection, where Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek are available, I'm going with Kimi K3 for its popularity and value. Let's see what comes out in the canvas. On the right side, the agent is working through my idea, and the reference image has already been uploaded to the canvas. It's processing the prompt now, pulling together the scene, the lighting, and the product details based on everything we set up: the UGC style, the Seedance 2.5 model, and the reference image for consistency. Give it a few seconds. And there we go. Let's take a look at what it's generated. Let's see, the agent gave me the settings, style, duration, and dialogue, along with the whole script. But the aspect ratio is 9:16, so I'm going to chat with the agent and tell it to change the aspect ratio to YouTube-style format. Now the agent has locked in the format and duration to 30 seconds and automatically added the reference back in. I'm confirming it to move to the next process. As you can see, the video node has been connected, and the video is loading with Seedance 2.5, all from just a single idea. The final output is here. Let's watch.
Okay, I have to talk about these. I genuinely wasn't expecting to love them this much. The packaging already feels incredibly premium. The finish feels amazing, and they're incredibly lightweight. Honestly, they look so good and they're really comfortable on the eyes. And honestly, they're perfect for days like this. Definitely one of my favorite accessories this year, worth every penny.
See the dialogue, the consistency of the product, all good. You can also upscale the video to 4K, but the main part is editing the video. You can edit from wherever you want by trimming to the desired second, and you can add image or video references during editing. If something's off, I don't have to throw away the whole clip. For example, I'm going to change the color of the character's shirt to maroon using the same Seedance 2.5 model at high resolution. Nothing else changes. Let's try the edit. Wow, that's the power of Seedance 2.5. Nothing else changed, just the shirt color to maroon.
Okay, I have to talk about these. I genuinely wasn't expecting to love them this much. The packaging already feels incredibly premium. The finish feels amazing, and they're incredibly lightweight. Honestly, they look so good and they're really comfortable on the eyes. And honestly, they're perfect for days like this. Definitely one of my favorite accessories this year, worth every penny.
And the rest of the video stayed exactly the same. That's really good. Now that's not all. I can also generate variations of the video. So I gave the agent this idea. Replicate the same sunglasses video into 3 separate versions. Only change the male creator's appearance, face, hairstyle, skin tone, and build using 3 different racial appearances. So, the UGC skill is loaded, and the agent is thinking through the idea. Haha, replication mode is on, and the agent is crafting the idea into 3 clearly visible prompts, each with its own dialogue and references. Now the videos are here in the canvas, loading. This takes a bit of time. And now the 3 variations are here, each with a different influencer, but the product stays the same.
Okay, I have to talk about these. I genuinely wasn't expecting to love them this much. The finish feels amazing, and they're incredibly lightweight. Honestly, they look so good and they're really comfortable on the eyes. And honestly, the finish feels amazing and they're incredibly lightweight. Honestly, they look so good and they're really comfortable on the eyes. And honestly, they're perfect for days like this. Definitely one of my favorite accessories this year, worth every penny.
Watch every second of the video. There's no rendering gap, and the scenes, locations, and outfits are all different. You can also save this as a reusable skill by simply asking the agent. So next time you have a similar idea, whether it's a different product or a new variation, you don't have to set everything up from scratch. Now I'm going to drag all the videos into the timeline, arrange them in order. I'm going to export the full video, but you can also export the segments separately if you want. Oh, and here's something worth knowing before you go. If you're on the Ultra Annual plan, Topview's currently running 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 generations. That's huge. Here's the breakdown. 365 days unlimited on WAN 3.0, Minimax H3, and GPT image. 260 days unlimited on Seedance 2.5 and Seedance 2.0. Go check it out before the offer changes. Links in the description.